All right, so here's a track we ran yesterday for a guy over in Zone D in Winston County. So this deer was shot um, hard quartered away with a muzzle loader, and this was his target buck. He'd been after this buck for 3 years, and so my estimate, just looking at it, and his too, is about 5 or 6 years old, and so he's been after it for a little while, and we was finally able to put an end to the story of this old warrior of a buck yesterday. And so the deer come in the day before, and he shot him hard quartered away, and he ended up making a pretty good shot. There just wasn't any blood. He found a piece of fat, maybe about 30 or so yards down the trail, and that was it. So he made a good call, and he backed out, and we ran the track the next morning. So it'd been some 12, 16, 14 hours or something like that after the deer was shot. And man, it was he done everything right, made for an easy track. We've been through grid searched areas this year and behind the neighbor's German Shepherd, and so it was a breath of fresh air just to run a good, straightforward, easy track. And so anyhow, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching the videos. Got plenty on the way, and we'll try to get some more of these out along the way. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Okay. Where'd it go? Right here, through there.
Good boy. Good dog. Well, congratulations. Golly, man, we were right there. Good boy.
We went right down through there.
I know.
How did we miss you?
Good job, amigo.
Good boy. Good girl. That's a stud.
That's a good one.
Man, Robbie.
That's a stud. Hunted him for 3 years. He's gonna weigh a lot less.
It'd be easy to put on a sled and drag out.
Golly, y'all, that's a great deer.
Here, Robbie, I just can't do that.
Good boy. Good boy.
My fault. It should have dropped in the field.
Robbie, that's an awesome buck,
That's a
baby.
nice buck, yeah.
That's a great buck. We can roll him up here and roll him over, take some pictures, and
Congratulations.
we can get out of your hair.
Place to hunt.
Appreciate it. You know
Yes,
how much
sir.
that means to him.
Oh, that right there's the whole reason I got started in this.
He put the time in. He put time in every year on dude.
That deer's still heavy.
Load it.